Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous session, we saw how to create a fiscal calendar and updated in Ledger here in fiscal calendar, but have not saved that because all these fields which are in red, this chart of accounts, fiscal calendar, and the currencies should be updated once. We cannot update it one by one. So in this today's session, let's see how to create this chart of accounts. So to create this chart of accounts, in the ledger tab, in the ledger from ledger, we can go to this chart of accounts and right click, and we can go to this view details, and it will take us to this chart of accounts page where we can click new and create a new chart of accounts. Chart of accounts are nothing but main accounts. So this is one way where we can go to this chart of accounts. There is the other way where we can navigate to this chart of accounts. That is, let's close this first and I'll show you the navigation. We have to go to this general ledger under setup. You will see chart of accounts, and from here chart of accounts, and this will take us to this chart of accounts. So from here, let's create a new chart of accounts for our entity. uh, let's give this a name, mad x coa and mad. Okay, and we have to click new and just follow the same sequence which I am typing here. 0 +000 assets, and this should be under reporting, and this is an header. Click new, liabilities, and this is also main account. Let's put it into reporting and reporting type as header. Same thing for income and expenses also. This is 3 series, income, reporting, and header, and the same thing for expenses also. Expenses, reporting, and header. For now I'm just creating only these three, four, only the reporting and header thing. Later on in coming sessions, let's create few more depending on the transactions that we are doing. So let's close this, and our chart of accounts name is madx.coa, madx.coa. So you have to update that in ledger. Let's go and update there. So let's go to ledger using this drop down. You can see our chart of accounts. From there, just select the chart of accounts that we have created. Okay, see, it is asking us to update fiscal calendar and accounting currency also, and the fiscal calendar that we have created is madx calendar. Yeah, madx calendar. And let's coming to this currency. Accounting currency is nothing but let's take an example. If the company is established in India, then the accounting currency would be in INR, and the reporting currency depends upon the organization. If they want reporting should be in US dollars or dirhams or anything else, it's their choice. So let's take USD as a reporting currency. Okay, okay, done. In the next session, let's see how to create these exchange rates and accounting structures. Thank you.